Hi, I'm Chris O'Gwen with AffinityHM.com, and today I'm going to tell you about the Flyp Nebulizer. It is the smallest, coolest, fastest nebulizer that I have ever seen. So I'm really excited to share it with you. Come on into my office here and I'll tell you all about it. We're right here in Robertsdale, Alabama, southern part of Alabama, so thankfully it's a little cold outside, but definitely it feels a lot warmer in here. So this is going to be a pretty short video, but we're going to go into some great detail about the Flyp Nebulizer. So step on over here to my desk and I'll show you all about it. They spell it really strange. It's F-L-Y-P. Right here you can see the box. This is literally the whole deal. So one of the coolest things about this nebulizer is that no longer do you have to worry about the little plastic nebulizer kit and the nebulizer tubing and the machine that you got to plug in the wall. This nebulizer is 100% rechargeable, and everything is contained right here in this little box. So once you receive it through shipping, you open up your little box here and you got a nice little information packet here. And this, my friend, is the actual nebulizer machine right here. Let me just take it out of this little packaging that they put it in. That's it right there. And of course you're gonna need a recharging cable, and that comes with it right here. And a neat little bag if you wanna keep it into a little cloth bag. So this is everything that you need right here to operate the Flyp Nebulizer. So if you're doing breathing treatments, let's say you have asthma or COPD and you're doing the albuterol treatments, this is your machine right here. Now this one, I've already taken the liberty of actually opening it up and charging it up for the first time. And there are very simple ways of doing it. You just plug it in to the side of the machine, plug it into the wall, and it's gonna charge up. Now, check this out. This is the actual mouthpiece right here. And whenever you're ready to use this, after your medicine is in place, you just press the on button right there. You get the little blue light. And I don't know if you can tell, but it is actually running right now. I cannot even hear it myself. It's so quiet. Now, the way that this one works is it actually comes in contact with the medicine through vibrations. And it has a mesh material inside that vibrates so fast, it literally is vibrating faster than a hummingbird flaps its wings. A hummingbird flaps its wings very, very fast, as you know. I don't know if you've ever seen the slow motion videos of that, but it's pretty fascinating. So imagine something going 2,000 times faster than the hummingbird. So notice on the back of the Flyp Nebulizer right here, you just have this little compartment that you would flip open like so. And here is the compartment where the actual liquid medicine would go. So if you're ready to do a treatment, you would just open up this little compartment here, put your nebulizer medication into there, snap the lid back shut, place it here where it goes, shut the compartment. Now your medication is in there. At this point, you can just flip this piece up here, turn it on right here, and this is actually the mouthpiece right here. So you would seal your lips around the mouthpiece and just breathe in and out through the medicine Flyp Nebulizer, just like you would any other type of nebulizer. And now another thing about this one that I really like a lot is that it can do a breathing treatment faster. It does a breathing treatment in approximately, on average, 7 minutes. So if you're used to the old type, we're talking pretty much half of the time that it would take to do the nebulizer. So you're gonna save a lot of time. Obviously, this is all that you need. If I had a shirt pocket, I would put it in my shirt pocket. But you can keep that into your pocket. Ladies, this would fit real nicely into your purse for traveling purposes. And you can get several breathing treatments out of one charging of the battery. So it's all very effective and neat. Price is not bad, has a warranty with it. All of the information is on the page where you are right now, and you can check it out. So it's the Flyp Nebulizer. It's getting great reviews. It's a good price. It's $199. And so please give us a call if you have questions about the Flyp Nebulizer. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching AffinityHM.com.